Guys, it's Donnie here. We're tipping our last meeting for the Vol on Tuesday. Firstly, I just want to thank the guys from Glistian for this initiative. Thank you to everybody involved. Thank you for the guys who supported us. Thanks for the guys who voted, and especially who voted for me. Hopefully, it was enough. We'll see, guys. But thanks to everybody involved. I think this is a nice card at the Vol tomorrow. Three nice win bets, I feel. Race 1, Viking Lass, 8 to 10. This should be a good thing on the day. Very unlucky on debut. Sean Terry's yards in absolutely amazing form. And if there's not a hot first timer here, he should put them away quite easily. Race 2, Sherlock Holmes, 6 to 10. Another nice win bet here. Two good runs up to date. Form lines being franked from the previous run. And again, if there's not a hot first timer, I think he should prove too good. Race 4, Future Gamble, even money. Two great runs in Joburg. And I think he's going to love the 2000 at the Vol. Third run up in the Highveld. And I think he's going to prove a hard horse to beat and a bank in all bets. My value bet, race 7, Orange County, 8 to 1. This horse has got an amazing turn of foot. And I think the Vol straight he's absolutely going to love. And he might just mow them down at the end. My plays would be a treble, Viking Lass, Future Gamble for wins, Orange County for a place. That would get you 8 to 1. The straight treble, all three for wins, 33 to 1. A nice 4 bet if you want a multi with Viking Lass, Sherlock Holmes, Future Gamble, all for wins, Orange County for a place would net you about 14 to 1. And all 4 for wins at about 56 to 1. Guys, let's finish this strong. Let's make some money on the last day. And thanks to everybody once again. Cheers, guys.
What's up, guys? It's Ashley here. I'm doing the preview for Vol Tuesday tomorrow. I'd just like to thank all the guys that have voted. I'd like to thank Glistian for this opportunity. It's been great fun. It's been total carnage the last 4 or 5 meetings. A lot of double figures. 100 to 1s, 70 to 1s, 60 to 1s, a lot of value. Hopefully some of the guys could find that value. But look, like they say, cowboys don't cry. So I'm going to tip a double starting in race 6. It's 6 of all with Brett Weber. I think Brett Weber's been in good form with Gavin Larina on board. The horse is 2-3 to 1 depending on the market tomorrow. Straight into the next race, race 7, Warning of Light. Sean Terry, also Gavin Larina, 2-3 to 1. So it's the Gavin Larina double. I think that I'm very confident with that. Hopefully I can come home and we can finish this end of the month with a double win. And guys, thank you once again very much. It's been fantastic.
Hi guys, trust you all well. This is the Punter's Rabbit. Firstly, a big shout out to Glistian for hosting this initiative. It was highly appreciated. As we all know, punting is not an easy game. To me, it's like surfing. You have small waves and you have big waves, but we go to sea every day waiting for the big wave. Today, we go to sea again at the Vaal Racecourse for tomorrow. We will take our prey strike as usual. In race 4, Umami. Race 5, Gimme Some Love. Race 7, Capola. Race 8, Champion Warrior. Guys, have a good one. Bet wisely, in for a penny, in for a pound, and happy punting.
Good evening to all the Glistian viewers out there. Tomorrow, the last meeting of the month, 31st of March, the Vaal Racecourse. Let's go straight into my best bets on the card, or the horses that I like for tomorrow. We start off in race 1, number 11, Viking Lass, Sean Terry, Ryan Munga. Very good debut from this horse, was running on very strongly. I think he'll win tomorrow. My best bet on the card comes up in race 2, number 12, Sherlock Holmes, Kyle Stradom, Tony Peter. I think this horse is overdue now. I think he'll break his maiden tomorrow. I think he's a useful sort, and tomorrow will be his day. Move on to race number 7, number 9, Warning Light, Gavin Larina, Sean Terry. Also looks like a progressive sort. I think he'll win this as well. Then we move on to my value bet. Race 8, number 2, Care Forgot. Sean Terry, Ryan Munger, Mr. Lance Michaels' horse. This horse has come very, very well. I think 5.5 to 1 is very good value about this horse, running some strong company. And I think he's good value and he'll win tomorrow. So guys, you can mix and match those 4 horses. It's been an absolute pleasure featuring for you guys this month, tipping for you guys this month, presenting for you guys this month. Hope you have a fantastic day's racing tomorrow. God bless. Thank you to Glistian. Thank you to Soccer Shop. Enjoy your day's racing. Cheers.